Welcome to this training session on Microsoft Power BI. In this video, we will dive into the world of Power BI and explore its incredible features and capabilities. So, let's get started. Power BI is a powerful business analytics tool developed by Microsoft. It allows you to visualize and analyze your data in real time, enabling you to make data-driven decisions. With Power BI, you can connect to various data sources, transform and shape your data, and create interactive reports and dashboards. Let's explore some key features of Power BI. First, it offers a variety of data connectors, allowing you to connect to different data sources such as Excel, SQL Server, SharePoint, and more. Second, Power BI provides advanced data transformation capabilities, allowing you to clean and shape your data with ease. Third, you can create stunning visualizations using a wide range of charts, graphs, and maps. Additionally, Power BI offers natural language query, allowing you to ask questions about your data in plain English and get instant insights. There are numerous benefits of using Power BI in your business. First and foremost, it provides a centralized and unified view of your data, making it easier to gain insights and identify trends. It also enables collaboration by allowing you to share reports and dashboards with others. Power BI is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor your reports and dashboards to meet your specific needs. Lastly, it offers real-time updates, ensuring that you always have access to the most up-to-date information. In conclusion, Microsoft Power BI is a powerful tool that empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions. Its features, benefits, and capabilities make it a valuable asset for data analysis and reporting. Let's start by learning how to launch Power BI Desktop and become familiar with the screen layout.